how to turn on and use Brave VPN on Brave browser. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be explaining to you how you can use Brave VPN and Brave browser together. Firstly, open App Store or Play Store on your device. After that, go to the search bar and type in Brave browser. Install this application to your device, and if you have already installed it, then check for updates. If there is an option for update available, then click on it to update your app. Now go back to your home page. From your home page, you will need to open the Brave browser. In the Brave browser, at the bottom right corner, tap on the three dot icon. Then at the very top, you will see the VPN option. The VPN is available in the Brave features. To enable VPN, simply tap on the switch icon right beside the VPN option. To use VPN in the Brave browser, you will need to purchase the subscription. You can even see the price of monthly subscription and yearly subscription. Select the one you like, or you can even take a 7 days free trial. Click on Try 7 days free at the bottom. After getting the subscription, you'll be able to use VPN on your Brave browser. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.